So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. Now let's see what we'll be expecting this week on our Swiss franc JPY. As you can clearly see that this our Swiss franc JPY is in an uptrend move. This is the full bigger. Now let's go to our weekly time frame. So in order for us to be able to predict what market will be doing for us this week, we need to actually see it from our weekly time frame standpoint. So we need to see it from the weekly time frame, and we need to zoom it out. What can you see on your trend? It is very clear that this market is an uptrend move. So we have basically three movements in the market. It's either market is trending to the upside, or market is trending downward, or market is literally ranging. These are the three movements you will see in your market. In one market does, it's either market is trending to the upside, it is trending downward, or it is literally ranging. And as you can clearly see, market is trending to the upside, as you can see here. So we had this first high on Swiss franc JPY, right? Then market eventually gave us a pullback, which is our higher low. Then we had this higher high, and here comes the higher low. So market eventually pushed up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market pushed up again, it formed a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Market eventually pushed up again, it formed a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Market eventually gave us another bullish move, which formed a new higher high, and here comes the higher low right here. You can clearly see that this is the higher low. So with this higher low, market, we should be anticipating for what? Another movement to the upside, which will be giving us an higher high. So basically, our trend on Swiss franc JPY is an uptrend move. So for position traders and swing traders, you would want to go in on your buy, especially traders that would like to hold their position for the next 3 to 4 months. You would be anticipating for a buy. Now let's go down to the daily time frame. So this is it on the daily time frame right here. So within this movement here, market is ranging. You can clearly see that market is ranging within this movement, right? So if this is the high and here is the higher low, this is also seen as the higher high. Now this is the higher low. Now this is also the higher high, and market did an higher low right here, right? This is the higher low. So the next movement on Swiss franc JPY should be another bullish move that will form a new higher high. So a bullish move is what we should be expecting next on our Swiss franc JPY. Now let's go down to the forward time frame. So expect your forward Swiss franc JPY to drop to this your support level, right? Before you look to hop in on your buy, expect market to actually drop and come to tap your support level, which is this level here. So once markets can drop and tap your support level, then you can now anticipate for another buy that will come to tap your resistance level. And if market breaks above it, expect market to give a pullback to retest it. You all know dead break and retest pattern. If market breaks above it, expect market to give you a pullback to retest it, and it will continue the movement to the upside. But if market does not break above it, it will likely drop. But for now, expect your market to come to tap your support level, then look for your buy to for it to push up and tap your resistance level. So guys, this week we will be going bullish on Swiss franc JPY. Could there be any changes to this our prediction? Absolutely yes. If there will be any changes to our prediction, I'll be sure I let you guys know. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on that subscribe button now.